Welcome to One Question at a Time, the SAT series. Question number 12. The statement 3x minus 1 different from 2x is true for all values of x except. So the keyword is they want to ask for all value of x, make that statement true except. So it means you need to find a for so 3x minus 1 different from 2x, that's the true statement. So if it equals 2x, it will be false statement. Okay. So now we solve for it. Subtract 2x from both sides. Have x minus 1 equals 0. Then plus 1 both sides. We'll have x equal 1. So x equal 1 will make the statement false. So C, the right answer. We can check for each of the answer choice. So if x different from 1, you can choose any number except 1. Okay, let's choose 0. If x equals 0, we have, if x equals 0, we will have 3 times 0 minus 1 different from 2 times 0. That's right, because negative 1 different from 0. That's the true statement. For B, we have x equal negative 1. We have 3 multiplied by negative 1 minus 1. Is that different from 2 times negative 1? So we say that negative 3 minus 1